Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best door handle wrap is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make to your Tesla Model 3. These wraps not only add a touch of personalization but also provide an extra layer of protection against scratches and wear. In this video, we'll dive into the world of door handle wraps, exploring different materials, installation tips, and helping you find the perfect match for your electric vehicle. Number 5. SKOKO Tesla Model Y 3-Door Handle PPF Film. Introducing the SKOKO PPF film, designed specifically for your Tesla Model Y and Model 3, including the latest Highland models. This film provides essential protection against scratches and wear, keeping your car looking its best. Made in Korea with top-quality materials, this film offers superior durability. The transparent film is precisely cut for a perfect fit, ensuring your door handles are well protected. We've included all the tools you need for a flawless application, just like in our installation video. It's designed for easy application. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this film leaves no sticky residue when removed. Plus, it features an advanced hydrophobic surface for enhanced protection. The film utilizes self-healing technology, so minor scratches disappear naturally. This helps maintain a flawless finish, keeping it looking new for longer. With this film, you can keep your car's door handles looking like new. It's a simple way to protect your investment and maintain your car's value. What we like. This SKOKO PPF film is crafted in Korea with premium materials, ensuring top-notch durability. It also features self-healing technology, meaning scratches disappear on their own. If you're looking for long-lasting protection and easy application, this is the perfect choice for your Tesla. What people say. Easy to install if you've had any experience working with PPF. Holding up just fine and doing what it's supposed to. It looks good and protects my Tesla from scratches from nail. Remember to use lots of water on both the door and PPF. It can't be too wet. Take your time to line everything up and squeegee carefully as well. This comes with a spray bottle and squeegee for you to use. Number 4. CoolKo Tesla Model 3 and Y Carbon Fiber Door Handle Cover. Introducing the CoolKo Carbon Fiber Door Handle Covers, designed specifically for your Model 3 and Y. These covers offer superior protection against scratches and fingerprints, keeping your car looking its best. Each cover is precisely cut using a CAD CNC machine, ensuring a seamless fit and maintaining the aerodynamic profile of your vehicle. The design minimizes any added resistance. These aren't just stickers, they're crafted from genuine, glossy carbon fiber. This premium material not only looks great but also adds durability and a touch of luxury to your Tesla. The covers are designed for easy installation and removal. They are made of high-grade materials, ensuring they are durable and long-lasting. Enhance the look of your Tesla while safeguarding your door handles. This product features an elegant and dynamic design, offering both aesthetic appeal and practical protection. Looking for more ways to customize your Tesla? Search for CoolKo Model 3Y CoolKo Tesla to discover other exciting accessories. What we like. This door handle kit features a sleek carbon fiber design, instantly upgrading the look of your Tesla. The high-grade brass material ensures durability and longevity. If you appreciate a premium aesthetic and robust protection, this cover is designed for you. What people say. They are very easy to install and it took me a couple of minutes to install all of them. These look great and fit as expected, no trimming needed. It fit perfect and looking very good. Number 3. Tesla Model Y 3-Door Handle Protector. This door handle protector is specifically designed for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 from specific years. It fits perfectly and won't interfere with opening the door. It's a seamless integration for your vehicle. In cold weather, you can open your car door directly without pressing the handle. This user-friendly design makes it easier and more comfortable to use, especially during winter. Made from durable ABS materials, this protector is built to last. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and won't fade easily, protecting your car from aging and damage. The glossy black color adds a touch of luxury to your car. It effectively prevents scratches and wear on the door handle, preserving your car's paint and maintaining its pristine condition. Installation is quick and easy. Simply clean and dry the door handle, peel off the adhesive, and stick it on. Press for a few minutes to ensure it stays firmly in place. Avoid washing your car for 36 hours after installation. What we like. This door handle protector is designed with an antifreeze feature, making it easier to open your door in cold weather. Made from durable ABS materials, it's built to last and protect your car. If you live in a cold climate and want a practical, long-lasting solution, this is the one. What people say. Easy to install and have worked perfectly. For those who have difficulty using finger pressure to open Tesla Y doors, this product helps. It fit perfectly and snug well. Now we don't need to break thumbnails, etc. Definitely worth it, and it give your model a clean look at the end. Sticks to the OEM handle with no problem. Number 2. YHCDSEA Tesla Model 3Y Rhinestone Door Handle Cover. Introducing a dazzling upgrade for your Tesla Model 3 or Y. This cover instantly elevates the look of your car, making it more luxurious. Crafted from high-quality zinc alloy and sparkling rhinestones, this accessory adds a touch of elegance. The materials ensure durability and a premium feel. Designed specifically for your Tesla, it fits seamlessly over the door handles. It protects the original handles without causing any damage upon removal. Installation is a breeze with the self-adhesive tape. There's no need for any modifications to your car. It's a secure fit that won't easily fall off. We are dedicated to providing you with the best products and service. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will make sure you are satisfied. What we like. This door handle cover adds a touch of luxury with its sparkling rhinestones. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, it's designed to be both beautiful and durable. If you want to add a touch of glamour to your Tesla, this accessory is perfect for you. What people say. These were easy to install and give that fabulous bling look to the Tesla. The fit was absolutely perfect as well. They are pretty and work exactly as expected. Quality is surprisingly good and heavy, unlike cheap and light plastic pieces from most others. Easy to apply and didn't wear off on gentle machine wash. Looks great. Number 1. IPG Tesla Model 3Y Door Handle Decal Kit. Introducing the IPG Door Handle Decal Kit, designed specifically for your Model 3 and Model Y. This kit includes a set of 4 vinyl wraps, complete with the Tesla logo, to give your car a fresh look. This DIY vinyl decal is built to last. The surface is scratch and grime resistant, ensuring it maintains its appearance for 2 to 4 years without fading or cracking. It's a simple way to protect your door handles. Keep your door handles looking pristine. This kit effectively protects against scratches and fingerprints, preserving the sleek look of your Tesla. Made from carbon fiber vinyl with a non-permanent adhesive, the wraps are professionally cut to perfectly fit your Model 3 or Model Y. The textured 3D surface adds a touch of elegance. Enjoy a bubble-free, crease-free application. The decal kit provides a charming, textured finish that enhances the overall aesthetic of your Tesla. It's easy to apply and makes a big difference. What we like. This IPG door handle wrap offers a textured 3D surface and includes the Tesla logo, giving your car a unique look. It's also scratch and grime resistant, ensuring your handles stay pristine. If you like a stylish, textured finish with added brand recognition, this is the ideal choice. What people say. We realized we had trouble seeing the handles in the dark. The addition of these silver stickers made it so much better. I did them myself and they look amazing. Application was super easy and I repositioned the sticker multiple times with no problem. You just need to do it slowly and make sure to not rip the Tesla logo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.